Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've opened my TRK. When the vehicle was in idling condition like as it is right now, and I gave a throttle, so this part was making a lot of noise. So first I thought the number plates are making noise, so I removed them, put double side tape and all, fixed them, so they've become much more silent now. But again, when I gave a throttle, this part started rattling. So what I noticed is this is made up of two parts. If you see, there's a slot over here, which means there are two. This plastic, the end tail is made of two plastics. So I'm going to open this and check, what is probably rattling. I also noticed that this part over here, the thin line, the body of the top plastic, it was hitting the top rack over here. Let me take it in light. See this mark? So that probably is also rattling. So I'm going to try and open this and see what can be done, and let's see how we can fix it. Now before we proceed ahead, if you're watching this on my channel for the first time, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive all updates from me. So let's proceed. So to remove this this piece, you need to remove these two bolts and two bolts here, one here and one here. You have to then, once your bolts are off, you need to slide it towards the back. Okay, and at the back, when you see four more bolts here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these four also. So these two parts are going to get separated. So while I was unscrewing the four bolts, this one was tight, this is tight, and even this is tight. But this one, as you see, is already loose. So probably this is the cause of rattling. And I see that the plastic is touching this somewhere here. So I'll try and put two-way tapes on such parts. So one of those lock pins or the nut pins was also loose. So I'm going to I've removed all the four bolts, and below that you have these pins with bolts in it, nuts in it, or threads in it. So this one was loose. I'm going to tighten this all and fix it back. I have finished taping both the sides as much as I could. Now I did not use a two-way tape because it was way too thicker and it was creating additional distance between the two panels, which would have led to another more rattling. So I used this tape, which is used for while you paint things and all. So this is used for masking and all. So it is a soft paper tape, so you can use this because it has got a bit of rough surface, and it is not too soft, not too hard. So and probably it will help keep the two stuffs not too far from each other. So but again at the same time it will help stop rattling. And I put the tape at maximum contact points of both these plastics, so that wherever possible it will come in contact, and it will two plastics will not touch each other and thus not vibrate. I've put small tapes even at the even over the pins which were which have the nuts or the threads in it, so they will also not move in its place and not rattle. Of course, once you tighten them, they don't rattle. Like this one moves now, but once you bolt in, you have tightened this, it will not rattle. Like these ones are there inside over here, they don't rattle because it's tight now. But just in case, if those metal and plastic, when they touch each other, if they were making noise, now they will also not have. And now it's when I put this back on the, make sure when you're fixing this, you don't see any I've put the tapes in such a way that they're not easily visible from the outside. So hold this and tighten both, put one above the other. Okay, so they are a snug fit now. Now even if I don't put the bolts, it doesn't fall off. Let me show it to you by holding this. See, it's that snug fit now. So I'm sure this is going to help me stop the rattles. So I'm going to quickly fix it back, and then in some time I'll continue the video and show you what the outcome is. So I added few more tape on these parts, like all these here too, and here also, just to be extra sure that these are surely not going to rattle now. This fitting right now itself is giving me a feel that I mean, I did not have a kind of vibes have gone from there. So let me fix the bolts and then finally give a check. So rot of rattling from this part has reduced, almost not there, but I'm getting rattlings now from somewhere else. So that probably I'll check next time and make a next video of it. For now I'm going to fix the top rack back. Let me turn off the bike. And to remove the top rack and to fix it back, it's really easy. There are just 4 bolts on it. Okay, it fits in this slot over here and here also. So just these 2 bolts. These 2 you need to remove with Allen's, and this with a hex. So the vibes from the tail hand have surely reduced. It was rattling a lot. Now it's not rattling. Now someday I'll sit again and figure out from where the other parts are rattling, and maybe find a solution, and then show a solution for that too. So for now, if any of your bikes, if you have faced this issue, please do let me know. Put it in the comments so that I also know. And if you've applied a solution or something different, then do share that too, so that people who come on my channel and watch this video can review your comments and your solutions too. So let's help each other. And otherwise, all is good. Signing off from here now, and thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda.